How to create a SoundCloud account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to create a SoundCloud account. First, make sure your app is updated to the latest version or download the app if needed. Then open the app and this kind of screen will pop up. Click on Create an Account. Then you can continue with Facebook, Google, or also continue with Apple. You can also add email and continue. I'll click on Continue with Google. Then I'll select my account and continue. Add my display name, age, and gender. Then press on Continue and verify the device. As you can see, account is created. You can go to Feed, Search, go to Library, and also upgrade the app. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. I hope this video was informational.